Let's eat. Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today we're going to be making a festive pull-apart Christmas tree, and it's going to be stuffed with yummy goodness. So if you're ready for the holidays, then stick around for this video. Alright, so you're going to need about 11 whole biscuits, and you're going to cut those biscuits in half because you're going to get 2 balls of dough per biscuit. Alright, now we're going to take our cheese that we chopped up in small mini pieces, and we're going to go ahead and wrap them up in our biscuit dough, and we're going to roll. And make sure your cheese is not showing. That way it will not burst out of the biscuit when it's baking in the oven, but that might look nice and yummy. So continue to roll up all your balls. You're going to end up with 22 balls of dough all together. Alright, our balls are all rolled and we are ready to assemble our Christmas tree. Alright, now let's get started assembling our Christmas tree. So go ahead, we're going to start with 6 dough balls on our first row. And then we're going to move up to 5, and then 4, and then 3, and then 2, and then 1. Alright, now we're going to start with our egg wash before our biscuits go in the oven. So go ahead and just get yourself 1 egg and about 3 tablespoons of water. And just go ahead and brush over top of your biscuits lightly. And this is going to give your biscuits a nice golden finishing touch. Alrighty, we're going to bake in the oven on 325 for about 21 to 25 minutes. And here how it looks. Let's get started with buttering these biscuits. So I just melted about 2 tablespoons of butter. You might only need 1. And here are some of the seasonings that are in my Dash seasoning bottle, just to name a few. Go ahead and sprinkle that in your butter and give it a good old mix. And we're going to go ahead and start buttering our biscuits. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and start spreading on our yummy seasoned butter. This is going to give it that extra flavor that you just want bursting in your mouth. Go ahead and put a thin layer on, or even a thick layer. However much goodness you want, put it on. Alright, now I'm going to sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. What's biscuits without cheese? And now we're going to top off our yummy Christmas tree with a sprinkle of parsley to give it that green Christmas tree look. And I'm done. This looks delicious. Happy holidays, everyone.